What's up everyone, Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. Wanted to shoot a quick video on a question that we get asked from our customers or potential customers quite often. Are our employees 1099 or W-2s? Meaning, do we subcontract work or hire temp work, or are they in-house employees? And the answer to that question is 98% of the time, they are W-2 employees that are performing the work that we provide to our customers. The other 2% would be things such as an electrician. We're not licensed electricians. We don't want to take that liability. We also want to make sure that somebody is proficient in doing that work so that we can provide a good product to you, our customers. So we do sub out for an electrician. We do sub out some other small stuff that we don't do, such as if we have to rip the subfloor up. We don't do anything with finished flooring. We don't do anything with trim. If we did, I'm sure and I'm confident that it wouldn't be as good as a professional doing it. So we want to make sure we give that work to a professional. But 98% of what we do is done in-house, things we train on. Our employees are performing all the crawl space cleanouts, all the waterproofing, all the structural repairs, the helical pier installs, the dehumidifiers installs. That is all our employees that are drug tested and background checked and put through our training programs here. So you can rest assured that we are doing everything we can to provide a quality service and a quality product to you, even if that means subbing out just a few things that we're not proficient or licensed at. Hopefully this helps answer some of your questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. There's tons of ways to get a hold of us. You can comment on this video on YouTube. You can reach out to us on social media. Give us a call at 704-813-9554. If you don't want to talk to us on the phone, shoot us a text, email, smoke signals, however you can get it to us. We want to answer your questions.